Good morning. Today my lecture is model number 2, starting and testing of three-phase induction motor. We are going to see the lecture number 10 will be necessity of starters and the types of starters. Okay. Introduction. The three-phase induction motors are self-starting due to rotating magnetic field, but the motors show tendency to draw very high current at the time of starting. Such a current can be 6 to 8 times of full load or rated current, and it can be damage the motor winding. Hence, there should be a device which can limit such high starting current. Such a device which limits high starting current is called starter. Okay, to limit the high starting current is known as starter. What is the definition? The starter is a device which is basically used to limit high starting current by supplying reduced voltage to the motor at the time of starting. Such a reduced voltage is applied only for short period, and once rotor gets accelerated, full rated normal voltage is applied. From the expression of rotor current, it can be seen the current at start can be controlled by I2R equal to SE2 by square root of R2 square plus SX2 whole square, where I2R is the rotor current per phase at running condition, and SE2, okay, SE2 will be the rotor EMF per phase at running condition, and R2 will be the rotor resistance per phase in both running and standstill condition are same, R2, and SX2 will be the rotor reactance per phase at a running condition. By reducing the supply voltage, okay, at the time of starting, or by increasing the rotor resistance at the time of starting, we need a types of starter. Okay, there are 5 types. The first one is rotor resistance starter, second one star delta starter, third auto transformer starter, fourth rotor resistance starter, fifth direct online starter. Okay, stator resistance, star delta, auto transformer, rotor resistance, direct online starter. What is the necessity of starters? At starting time, the speed of the motor is 0 and the slip is at maximum. Okay, that is unity. Okay, so magnitude of the rotor induced EMF is very large at start. As the rotor conductors are short circuited, the large induced EMF circulates very high current through rotor at start. This condition is exactly similar to the transformer with short circuited secondary. Because transformer is having primary and secondary, if you are short circuiting the secondary winding, so such a transformer when excited by a rated voltage which circulate very high current through short circuited secondary. As the secondary current is large, so the primary current also draws a very large current from a supply line. Similarly, in three-phase induction motor, when the rotor current is very high, consequently the stator draws a very high current from the supply line. Due to such increment in high current means it is a line current, the voltage starts dipping. Whole system can collapse. Hence, even 3 HP rating induction motor is not allowed without starter. Due to such heavy inrush current at starting, there will be a possibility of damage to the motor winding. Such sudden inrush of current causes large line voltage drop. Thus, other appliances connected to the same line may be subjected to voltage spike which may affect the working. So, to avoid such effect, we have to in the position to limit the starting current drawn by the motor at start. Okay, now we will see the types of starters one by one. First one, star resistance starter. Okay, so this is the pictorial diagram of the star resistance starter. In this we are applying the three-phase AC line. Okay, we are applying the three-phase AC line, okay, through the switch, okay, triple pole triple throw switch, and which will be connected with the resistance. Okay, there will be a 3 resistance added in series with each of the winding. Okay, these resistance all be series. Okay, in series connection we know the current will be same, voltage will be different, but anyway we are applying the balanced voltage. So this balanced 3-phase resistance will be connected with the stator winding of 3-phase induction motor. Which connection it is? Star connection. Okay, star connection. Okay, understood? Okay, star connection. Okay, operation: when the motor starts running, the resistance gradually cut off. okay, from the stator circuit. When the resistance are entirely removed from the stator circuit, that is the rheostat, it is in run position. When the rated voltage gets applied to the stator, when the rated voltage gets applied to the stator, a start resistance is connected in each line in series with each phase of the winding. Okay, initially all the starter resistance are kept in start, okay, kept in start, so that they offer maximum resistance. The switch is turned on. Okay, now we are going to turn on the switch to connect it to the three-phase supply. Okay, as a motor accelerates, the starter resistance is slowly reduced by moving the variable contactor, because it is a variable. Okay, we have to move the resistance. Okay, so while you move the resistance, then the contact of the resistance towards a run position. Okay, this one contact will be a start, another contact will be a run position. Okay, when you switch on the start, okay, during that time the machine starts accelerate. So during that time we have to move the stator resistance towards the run position. Okay, towards the run position. Okay, in other way, we can say when the motor starts running, the resistance gradually cut off from the stator circuit, because by moving the starting resistance. When the resistance are entirely moved to the run position, then the rated voltage gets applied to the stator. Okay, motor runs normal speed. Okay, motor runs normal speed. What are the advantages? The starter is simple in construction and cheap. It can be used for both star and delta connected stator. And the limitations, there are large power losses due to resistance. The starting torque of the motor reduces due to reduced voltage applied to the stator. Okay, second one, star delta starter. Okay, this is a diagram of star delta starter. There are three stator windings will be connected to the three-phase line. Okay, this three-phase line will be connected with the other end of the stator winding, and the one end of the three-phase line is connected with the TPDD. TPDD means triple pole double through switch. Okay, triple pole double through switch. Triple pole double through switch. Okay, this is one of the cheapest starter of this, commonly used for induction motors. Okay, it uses triple pole double throw switch. The switch connect to the stator winding in stator winding in stator winding means this is, okay, stator winding during start position, and hence per phase voltage can be reduced by the factor 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by per phase voltage, because we know the line voltage is equal to root 3 into V phase. So phase voltage is equal to line voltage divided by root 3. Okay, due to reduced line voltages, okay, or due to reduced phase voltages, the starting current will be limited. Okay, when the switch is on other side, that is nothing but delta, the winding gets connected in the delta across the supply, so we can get the normal voltage. Okay, the one winding will be connected in the star, another winding will be connected in the delta. Okay, this is this diagram which will be explained in the real time. Okay, these are the triple pole double through switch. Operation. The operation of the switch can be automatic by using the relay contacts, which ensure the motor will not start with the switch in run position. When the motor accelerates, the stator is connected in delta configuration to apply the rated voltage to the winding. The starting torque is reduced as the torque is proportional to the square of stator voltage, and there is a jerk while switching from star to delta. Okay, advantages. The starter is simple in construction and cheap. It is maintenance is free. Limitations, it limits are suitable for normal delta connected motors, and the factor by which voltage changes by 1 by root 3, which cannot be changed. Next one, third, auto transformer starter. Okay, auto transformer starter, a three-phase star connected auto transformer can be used to reduce. Okay, can be, this is a three-phase auto transformer star connected. Okay, the voltage can be applied to the stator. Such a starter is known as auto transformer starter. Okay, auto transformer starter. Okay, here in auto transformer there are we have to give the three-phase line R by B. There are two positions, one is start, another one is run position. Okay, when the switch is in start position, okay, when the switch is in start position, the stator winding will supplied with reduced voltage. Okay, this can be controlled by dampings provided with auto transformer. They are reduced in apply voltages by the fractional percentage tapping X used for an auto transformer. This motor gathers 80% of normal speed. The changeover switch is thrown into run position. Okay, due to this, the rated voltage gets applied to the stator winding. The motor gets rotating with the normal speed. Changes of the switch is done automatically by using the relays. Okay, there will be a less power losses will be happen in the starting methodology. This can be applied to both star and delta connected, but it is very expensive because we are operating the star and auto transformer starter. It is very expensive. Okay, this is the diagram of auto transformer. Okay, these two contacts only which I will be mentioned here. Okay, one for start, another for run. This is for start, this is for run portion. Okay, advantages: the power loss is very much less. It can be used for star and delta connected motor. Limitations, that is disadvantages: it is very expensive. Rotor resistance starter. Okay, to limit the rotor current, which consequently reduces the current drawn by the motor from the supply, the resistance can be inserted, okay, in the rotor circuit. The resistance can be inserted in the rotor circuit at starter. This type of starter which will be applicable for slip ring induction motor. Okay, slip ring induction motor. The external resistance is inserted in each phase of this rotor winding through slip rings and brush assembly, because slip rings and brush are automatically short circuited. Initially, maximum resistance in the circuit. Okay, as the motor gathers a speed, the resistance is gradually cut off. The operation can be manually or automatic. We can see that the starting torque is proportional to the rotor resistance. Okay, starting torque is proportional to rotor resistance. Advantages: starting torque is limited, but starting torque for the motor also gets improved. Limitations: it can be only used for slip ring induction motor. Fifth one, direct online starter. This direct online starter, shortly we can say it will be a DOL starter. Okay, DOL starter. In case of small capacity motor being rating less than 5 HP, the starting current is not very high, and such motors can withstand a year with a starting current without any starter. Okay, this cannot be no need to reduce applied voltage to control the starting current. Such motors can be used a type of starter which is connected to the stator with the direct lines. Okay, with the direct lines. A DOL starter across the line starter is a method of starting of three-phase induction motor. In DOL starter, an induction motor, this is the induction motor, is connected directly to the three-phase line, and DOL starter can be applied. Okay, as a starter, apply the full line voltage to the motor terminal. Despite of direct connection, no harm is done to the motor. A DOL starter contains protective devices in case of condition monitoring. Okay, DOL starter connect the motor directly to the main line. The motor draw very high inrush current compared to full load current of the motor, up to 5 to 8 times. Okay, 5 to 8 times. Operation. Okay, a DOL starter consists of two buttons. One is green button for starting and a red button for stopping. A DOL starter comprising of MCB, okay, miniature circuit breaker, okay, or contactor and overload relay for production. These two buttons, green and red, for start and stop buttons which control the contact. Okay, the no contact is normally, there are two contacts are there. One is NO, normal open start, and normal closed stop. Okay, normal closed stop. At start position, NO button is pushed. Okay, it will be pushed for a fraction of second, due to which coil gets energized. Okay, coil gets energized and attack the contactor. So stator directly gets supply. The additional contact provides ensure that as long as supply is on, the coil gets supply and keeps contactor in on position. When NC is pressed, the coil circuit gets opened, due to which coil gets de-energized. The motor gets switched off from the supply. Motor gets switched off from the supply. Advantages: it is simple. The advantages of include simple and most economical, most comfortable, provides nearly full starting torque at starting, easy to understand and troubleshoot. DOL starter connects the supply to the delta winding of the motor. Disadvantages: It is high starting current, can be a significant dip in voltage, hence suitable only for small motor. It reduces the lifespan of the machine. Applications. The applications it is primarily motors such as where high inrush current does not cause excessive voltage drop. It can be used for small water pumps, conveyor belts, fans and compressors. Thank you.